guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is When Beauty Meets Beast, chapter 34. Let's start reading. We've talked it over. You can go to Sun City with me tomorrow. Last line. So, isasama nila si Wanwan. That's great. Diba tuwang-tuwa? Though, I don't know what they discussed. As long as I could go to B City, I can then finish the mission. So, she was just thinking about the mission only. So, that's the goal here. Oo nga naman, random mission ngayon, diba? Oh, the babies. Hindi man lang niya inisip yung mga anak niya. Seriously, Wanwan? You know that you have the babies? Pero iiwanan mo sila. Hi, Shuangyan. The babies of the beast grow up fast. They're already a month old and ready to be independent. So, iwanan niya na kasi 1 month old na. Pero ayoko. Kung ako yung nana, ayoko. I'll ask Mushang to look after them. Oh, it's mountain. Rock mountain. Don't worry, I'll take good care of them. Si Mushang ang magbabantay. Parang wala namang problema yung mga bata na iwanan sila. Nakakaintindi na kaya to. They said, wolf, beast, grow up fast. So, you're already matured enough. By the way, we'll have a bonfire party tonight. Bonfire party. Relax and rest up, then get ready for the journey. Get ready for the journey. Hi, Baidi. Alright, it's been a while since we relaxed. I see. It's bonfire time. Akala ko isang buong bonfire. Bakit iba-iba sila ng bonfire? Now, there are over 8,000 beasts on the Rock Mountain. It's so lively. Nice. Oo, diba? Umabot na ng 1,000 members yung Rock Mountain. Nice. No wonder the bonfire party is more crowded this time. Nag-bonfire party na ba sila last time? Thanks to Chief Shuangyin's leadership, everyone feels safe now. Let me propose a toast to you. May pa-toast to. Nag-toast siya, wala naman siyang dalang baso. Ano daw yun? Anong klaseng toast yan, Shuangyin? Seriously. Mom! Oh, it's Little Lotus! Hi, Little Lotus! Little Lotus, what are you doing here? Ang cute niya, no? Cute talaga yung Wanwan. Shaolin is here too? That is not here. He heard that you're going to leave the Rock Mountain and asked me to accompany you. Basa niya yung iniisip ni Wanwan. Alam niya anong iniisip ng mama niya, hinahanap si Shuangling. But I bet for Shuangling, gusto ko maging mate sila. B City is more complicated than you think. You should stay in the Rock Mountain. Oh, I want to go with Mommy. I want to go with Mommy. Oh, naman. I want to go with Mommy. Mommy? Yung ano niya, sisters and brothers. The flower can talk? Sniff. It tickles. What a familiar scent. Bakit kaya familiar sa kanya? Anong scent ang nano nila? Kay Shaolin or kay Wanwan? Di ba same blood sila? Kasi pareho sila naglagay. Cute. Why don't you go down there to join them? That little female is leaving tomorrow. Yeah, why not? Go down and join them. Diba? Serious na naman masyado ang Shaolin na yan. I have my plans. Ay, my dark secret shopping. Ano kayo iniisip nito? Why do I have a bad feeling? Is this elder up to something again? Well, I guess so. Noisy, noisy. Si Sangye. Hi, Sangye. Noisy. Sino talaga, no? Nakikita mo talaga kung sino ang apple of their eyes. And that's 1-1. Have a drink. Have a Kit Kat char. Have a break pala yun. Have a break. 1-1 will be leaving the Rock Mountain tomorrow. And I go overthink about that. Sangye, I'll take Shuangyan back later. Teka. I'll take Shuangyan back later. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, alis lang sila lang? Take good care of 1-1. They're going to leave 1-1. Oh my gosh. So they're just going to trick her. Nasasama siya pero hindi naman pala. But this is the end of this story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.